Soraya, what's all this? And when is it supposed to happen?
That's actually scheduled for next month. Sorry, pero hindi ko na kayo inabala. I know you're so busy with the investigation on William's death at sa paghahanap ng mami nyo. To the point that you've neglected your duties as general manager here.
Neglected? I've never neglected my duties, even with everything going on. I don't take this resort for granted. I know how much it meant to my father.
Never neglected. Well, I know that even during your father's time, some of the board of directors weren't happy with your management style.
I'm sorry sa nangyari sa dad mo, Matthew. But I think it's a blessing in disguise na nawala na si William sa resort. Dahil nagkaroon ng board ng opportunity para palitan ng leadership ng company.
So anong sinasabi mo? Ha? Masaya pa kayo na namatay si Dad?
You have no right to disrespect his name like that.
Our dad built this place. Kaya wala kang karapatan na insultuhin ang legacy at memory niya.
It's all right, Drew. Let's not stoop down to their level. Let's go.
Napakayabang. Kaya lang naman siya na-appoint na general manager dahil anak siya ni William. Baka nga dapat ang tawag sa kanya, COO. Child of the owner.
Hey, if you have something to say it to my face.
Totoo naman ang sinasabi ko. Katulad ka rin ng tatay mo. Pareho kayong walang binatbat.
No! God! Kailangan mag-uwi, Beshi.
Tama na! Ano ba?
Stop it, please! Stop it! Oh my God!
Bago ka!
No! Tama na!
Insultuhin mo kami! Huwag lang ang mga magulang namin, ha?
Security, get these thugs out of here! Bad na sila dito!
Thugs, I'm the general manager of this resort. Take him out.
Sinapak niya ang isa sa mga board of directors. Mas mataas ang posisyon ni Mr. Robles. And even though you're the general manager here, that is not our company policy. We do not condone violence in Dream Paradise. You of all people should know that. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Palayasin nyo na sila!
I'm just spitting facts here. Walang personalan.
Eh kanina mo pa kami pinipersonal?
Kung ayaw nyo mawala ng trabaho, kayang-kaya kayong sesantehin ni Mr. Robles. Ano pa hinihintay nyo?
My father trusted you. And this is how you're gonna repay him? We should have never let someone like you onto our resort.